Our Photos application is connected. These are pictures that are stored locally here, pictures from China and Hawaii, whatnot. But if I scroll down here, you can see I've got Facebook connected photos. So these are pictures from Spain. They're coming in through Facebook. And because they're Facebook pictures, I can show comments on them. And I could pull up the keyboard and send comments on these as well. So it's a connected experience. I don't have to go to a Facebook application or to the web page to do that.
Is there a camera?
It has a front-facing camera here. It's used for video conferencing. Our messaging application supports the common instant messaging transport. So you've got Yahoo, Google, and AOL Instant Messenger, but also does text messaging. So I have a pre 3 here, and when a text message comes in on the pre 3, it can show up on my touchpad. So I don't have to pull out my pre 3 to respond. I can respond right here. This is great if I'm, say, in a meeting and my phone's in my pocket and I'm using my touchpad to take notes or keep up on email during the meeting. I don't have to juggle two different devices. Or you can imagine when you come home, maybe you leave your phone with your keys by the front door. You can respond without getting up. Also, the phone calls come through the touchpad as well. So when a phone call comes in, if these two guys are within range, I can answer on the touchpad, I can talk on the touchpad, I can then go get my phone and pick it up there if I want to. And the other thing we can do along these same lines is with web pages. So here I have a recipe I pulled up, and if I just take the pre 3 and touch it here, it'll pull up the web page on this device as well. And so you can imagine you're sitting on your couch looking for something to cook for dinner, and you want to go to the grocery store, pick up the ingredients you don't have. You don't have to jot it down, and you're switch phones or whatever. You just touch it and go. And the same thing works on the other direction. So if you're on the go, maybe you're riding the bus home, you're finding a web page. You get home, you don't have to stay confined to this device. You touch the pre 3 here, and it'll pull up on the web page on the touchpad, and you can continue reading where you left off on the big screen. Cool, huh?
Yeah. How about transferring profiles or anything off of this?
The things we transfer directly here are we do the text messages, the phone calls, the web pages. We have something we call touch to pair, Bluetooth pairing is basically simplified. You just touch the phone and that will pair it together. But we're not transferring images or anything like that. However, these are cloud connected devices, so your emails tend to stay in sync. We're pulling in contacts from Facebook and from LinkedIn and from other sources like that. So because of the cloud nature of these, they stay somewhat in sync that way. Also, when you first get this, so we have something on here called a Palm Profile that does some basic backup of your device.